I'm here with Deanna, and I'm so pleased for her. She's about 6 months out from a face and neck lift, upper eyelids, and buccal fat reduction. She's looking gorgeous. Wait till you see these before and after pictures. It's particularly timely because her daughter is getting married in 1 month. And for those of you out there who are having one of your kids get married, please come in at least 6 months in advance for us to do the fine tuning. I don't like to do that in the month prior to the wedding. So Deanna, you can see here, she has a kind of a rounder face, and what we did is through the inside of the mouth, took out some of this fat in here to give her a more angular shape. Her eyes are beautiful. I knew, if you just look at the camera there and let the light in, I knew when I saw that beautiful blue color, it was like a jewel that had dust on it because the light wasn't getting in there. And so we removed the skin that was blocking that and allows the light to get in. You can really see them sparkle now, the beautiful blue. And then we did the face and neck lift. That helped with the jowls down here, the neck laxity down here, and bringing this up. She did really well with the incisions, which I can't even really see except a tiny bit in a couple spots here. I don't even think probably her hairdresser would notice if he or she was evaluating you, but that's actually who referred you here.
Yes.
Was it?
Yes, it is.
Because she had seen some of my other patients anyway.
The best necks she's seen, she said. She sees a lot of necks too.
Well, anyway, that's nice and a great referral source. But here you are, living testimony to it, and the smile on your face. I mean, I think you came in here today in part because you knew how good you looked, right? You knew that I would want some follow-up on this.
I knew it looked better than, when I was here last, so I wanted to show you.
Yeah, so we're 6 months out now. You continue to see improvement. I bet you'll see even more improvements over the next month.
I think so.
Because, with the fat removal and the sculpting that we did, there's a fair amount of recovery involved. Although even, a month out, you were already looking great, but it goes from good to great to spectacular.
It's dramatic. It looks so much better right now.
Yeah, well, I'm really happy for you. This is fun, life-transforming surgery, I would say, and making you feel really good about the next stage of your life, because maybe you'll be a grandparent within a few years now, right?
Not yet.
Youngest-looking grandparent on the block, perhaps. So anyway, I'm super happy for you. Congratulations on your daughter getting married.
No, thank you. You did a wonderful job.
It's fun stuff. So
yes, thank you.
You're welcome.